Hey guys, welcome back to Ross Rod Shop. I'm Lee. Today we're just doing a simple little job changing the oil on my wife's 2016 Jeep Renegade. This is a car we bought, I want to say a little over 3 years ago. It's been a really good car. She loves yellow, so I've decked it out in yellow for her. But yeah, this is it. Runs really good. Never had any issues with it. It's a little, look at that wonderful sticker there. You can pick those up at rossrodshop.com. Anyway, we've driven this thing all over the place. A great little car. It's always ran really good. Never had any issues with it. I believe it's got, I don't know, 80 some thousand miles on it. I'll look at it now that I've been talking about it. Yeah, 86,000 miles on it. It's a great little car. But let me get this hood up. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, this just a little 2.44 cylinder. Nothing special. Just a really good running little car. So we're going to change the oil in it today. Okay, I always just roll a jack underneath here, roll it right up underneath the frame here, jack the car up. Never get underneath the car without putting a jack stand under it. Safety first, guys. We don't want cars falling on top of us. So I'm gonna get a jack stand put under, get a drain pan, and then we'll get the oil changed. Okay, pretty simple, guys. The drain bolt is right here. The oil filter is right here. This is a 13 millimeter. We just go ahead and get our ratchet on there. Get that loosened. Okay, we get the oil drained out of it. Now we'll put the drain plug back in. Tighten it up. Now we can move on to the oil filter. Okay, your oil filter is right here. You're going to slide your drain pan underneath your oil filter. Oh man, I'll need the oil filter wrench to get it off of there. Try to do this with one hand. Alright, there we go. Got it loose. Once you loosen it, oil's going to drain out of it. Go ahead and get the filter off, like so, and get oil all over your hand if you can. Okay, we're ready with the filter. We've got the good old Wix XP filter to go on here. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-fill the filter. Just pour oil in there, fill it up, take a little bit of oil, Wrap it on, go around the rubber seal. A little bit more. Okay, now that our filter is primed, finish draining here. I always like to go ahead and wipe the surface where the filter goes, get it clean. Make sure the filter is going to seal properly. We'll go ahead and take our filter and just screw it on there. When you put these filters on there, guys, you just want to hand tighten them. You don't want to put all the torque on them. And that's it. We're done underneath the car. Jack stand down and go ahead and slide everything out from under the car. Okay, now we've got everything done underneath. I went ahead and put my funnel in there, and now we just pour the oil in. This thing calls for 5.5 quarts of 020 full synthetic. There's 5. And a half. Give it just a second to drain down, and we check the stick. Pull the stick, wipe it off, place the stick back in, all the way in, pull it out, and we're full. And there you have it. Take the funnel out. Go ahead and put your fill cap back in. Make sure it's closed tight. While you're under here, you know, wipe some things down. Clean them up just a touch. I know it don't mean anything, but I like for it to look a little clean under here. Looks like she's been driving down a dirt road, and we don't live on a dirt road. Look at all the fluids while you're under here. Brake fluid looks good. Coolant level looks good. And we're all set. So that's another job done. Thank you for watching. Please check out the website, rossrodshop.com, merchandise. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everybody. I'm having a blast doing this. You guys are making it worth my while. Getting some pretty good views. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.